She said, we know that the spirit of the dead people will stay in a state of Barzakh, and also the soul of people after death, it will remain in the state of al-Barzakh.
Al-Barzakh?
Yes. And then she said, also we came to know that on that level, their soul can be improved towards goodness. What is the best thing to achieve those heights in al-Barzakh state?
What is the best thing to achieve?
Yes, to be inclined towards kindness.
What?
How does that happen?
He's putting it differently, you're putting it differently. You're right. The question should be, how does it happen? The fact is that Alame Barzakh is a state of quiet development in which the soul will not be fully conscious of what is happening to it. If it were conscious, then the meaning of suddenly rising from the grave would be nothing, would not be right. It's impossible for a soul to remain alert all the time and yet should rise as if it were dead before. So that indicates that the whole period of Barzakh is a state of semi-consciousness, like that of a child in the uterus of a mother. The child also remains somewhat conscious of what is happening to it. If the child is healthy, it enjoys life, but cannot be compared with the child which is born, which is delivered. Suddenly it appears that the child has come to life, while previously it was under covers, many covers, and outside world, any observer could not say that this child is still alive and doing, thinking and being conscious of a suffering or happiness. So Alame Barzakh is similar to this. This is why the Holy Quran says, وَمَا خَلْقُكُمْ وَلَا بَعْثُكُمْ إِلَّا كَنَفْسٍ وَاحِدَةٍ. Like nafs wahda is created, similarly your khalq and ba'th are on the same lines. So this verse is a key to the understanding of the whole phenomenon. So I believe that the souls will continue to improve like a child continues to improve in the belly of her mother. There is no stagnant period in the time, in the life of a child in the belly of the mother. Bad children who are unhealthy, they do suffer, but the suffering cannot be told. But when they are delivered, then they start crying for their suffering and behaving in a manner which tells the whole world that they are distorted people. So this is the meaning of Alame Barzakh in relation to the coming of life of the dead, coming to life of the dead in the end, when the soul will be breathed into the ears of everybody.